No one likes tolerating entitled Karens who think they're above the law. But what happens when these Karens come up against cops who refuse to tolerate disrespect? Here are 5 cases when entitled Karens mess with the wrong cops.
Oh my god, what the f going on? That's my car.
Okay, well here,
What the f are you doing?
You need to calm down.
No, you need to get the f out of my car.
Under arrest. You want to be
For what?
Then talk.
So gotta record this right now.
Okay.
What the f for what?
Who was,
Go ahead, because I have money, baby. We're gonna sue the state of Claremont County.
But tonight you won't be.
Stop.
She goes to jail.
I literally did nothing. You have no.
Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back, ma'am.
Good.
This is 28-year-old Kara Fuller, who upon seeing her boyfriend getting arrested has come out of the bar. On the 25th of February 2023, concerned bar employees called the police after noticing a drunk driver in the parking lot. Officers arrived outside the bar and found the driver asleep with his foot on the gas pedal while the car was still running.
Take your foot off the gas. Just go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me, all right? How much have you had to drink tonight?
The groggy driver concedes that he has been drinking and is not in a fit state to drive, but by now he knows that he's going to be arrested.
I'm sorry, that was bad. That shouldn't have happened.
But if someone walked out and you hit them, man, you'd be going
You're
through
right,
a lot,
you're right,
lot more than what
you're
you're
right.
going through right now.
You understand, sir, if you weren't in park, your car would have been going across the street into traffic.
After the driver refuses to take any field sobriety tests, he is taken into custody. He also asks the cops to call his mom.
Please call my mom.
Hold on one second,
Girlfriend's
sir.
in there, dude. I'm so sorry.
After taking the driver into custody, the cops start searching his car for any drugs or other incriminating material. This is when the driver's girlfriend, Kara Fuller, who was inside the bar during all of this time, comes out and starts creating a fuss. It is only then that the cops get to know that the car belongs to her and not her boyfriend.
Oh my god, what the f going on? That's my car.
Okay, well here,
What the f are you doing?
You need to calm down.
No,
or
you need to
you're-
get the
you're
f out of my
placed
car.
under arrest. You want to be
For
placed-
what?
Then talk.
So gotta record this right now.
Okay.
What the f for what?
Who
Gotta record
was,
this right
The driver's girlfriend, later identified as Kara Fuller, goes inside the bar to look for any potential support. But instead, the bartender and the employees tell her that her boyfriend is the one who is at fault.
No. Why the f? Hey, somebody.
Whoa. What?
Please nobody report this. What the f? Why are you searching my car? This is my car.
that
You have
female
zero
resident.
permission to search this.
Because your boyfriend was passed out in the car.
For what?
Wait,
For what?
he passed out.
For what?
He was in the driver's seat.
For what?
Drunk driving.
Are you shitting me right now?
No, he's in the cruiser. He had his foot on the gas, completely passed
What are you talking about? Why are you in my f***ing car?
Because he was in the car, he's operating the car, and he's now under arrest for
How? How? Where's the security footage? Run it! Run the security footage!
responded out to the parking lot.
He was in the parking lot.
Where's the f***ing security footage? Are you f***ing shitting me right now? You searched that's my f***ing car!
And
That's my car! You didn't have my f***ing permission!
Are you want to take your marijuana?
My marijuana?
Yeah. Because there's
You arrested him!
Yeah, there's marijuana in the car.
That's my mother car!
Doesn't matter. There's marijuana in the car.
So you want to arrest me for $150 charge? Go ahead. Slap me with the ticket. Gets us decriminalized in the state of Ohio.
Is it your
It's
marijuana?
decriminalized in the state of Ohio. It is decriminalized in the state of Ohio. Is it or is it not?
Is it yours or is it not?
You want to sit here and interrogate
Is it
me?
yours or is it not?
Is it or is it? I'm asking you a question.
Okay.
Is it or is it not decriminalized in the state of Ohio? That's my mother SUV. You don't have my permission to search it any goddamn more.
I don't need your permission.
Go ahead.
Search the car and
No, you're not gonna search my mother
You're to
car.
raise your voice or you're gonna be placed
For
under
what?
arrest because
For what?
You're impeding our
That's my
investigation
car.
right now.
Your investigation for what? That's my car. You do not get a search warrant. That is my f***ing car. That is my f***ing car, and you do not have my permission.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I suggest to go with your
You do not have my permission to search my car anymore.
We're gonna search your car. and
You're
if
not gonna
continuing
search my
to do
car.
this, you're gonna be placed
You're
under
not gonna
arrest.
search my car.
You're gonna be placed under arrest
For what?
custody.
For what?
Okay.
For what? You do
Right
not
now,
have my car to search. That's my
I've been
car.
calm with you, and I'm
Being calm with you too right now. You do not. For what? What are you gonna arrest me for? What are you gonna arrest me for?
Obstructing official business. Okay?
Obstructing
Because we have
official
legal rights
business?
to search the car
For what?
for the marijuana that's
Where?
in the car.
Show me that right
With
now.
the open container.
Show me
and
that.
the car
Show me the
is
law.
in
Pull it up on the web right now.
So-
Pull it up, and I'll be calm.
Okay.
I'll walk away.
The marijuana's in the car. There's 2 bags of
For
marijuana.
marijuana?
Yes. And because he was drinking and driving, the car's going to be towed. There's an open container. Okay?
Where's the law that you have the right to search my car
I
without
just
permission?
explained that to you. Okay, I just explained everything to you. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I'm not going to keep arguing with you. And if you're going to continue to be like this, you're going to be placed under arrest for
what?
obstructing. Okay? For obstructing.
Well, I'm gonna get my belongings out of my goddamn car.
You can do that once we're done. All right?
Go ahead.
From the get-go, Kara displays a strong disregard for the police's words. It is only after the cops threaten to arrest her that she permits them to inspect her vehicle, but not without a condition. She insists on trailing behind them during the search. The cops initially agree, but Kara still doesn't understand what it means to let the cops do their investigation without interrupting.
Good. Whatever angle you're at, I'm walking behind you, and I'm gonna put
You're not walking. You're not walking behind me.
I am walking.
That's why I explained why you'd be placed under arrest for obstructing.
I literally don't have none on me.
Okay.
I literally don't have none on me.
It doesn't matter. You're, for
literally
officer
nothing
safety,
is on
you're
me.
not walking behind
Nothing is on me right now. I want to walk behind you
We're gonna
because you're not
handle
gonna play
this
shit on my
today.
goddamn boyfriend. He's a felon.
Put your hand behind your back.
For what?
Obstruction of official business.
Go ahead, because I have money, baby. We're gonna sue the state of Claremont
But
County.
tonight you won't be.
Stop resisting.
Stop. You go to jail.
I literally did nothing. You have no.
Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back, ma'am.
Good.
Both Kara Fuller and her boyfriend were taken to the police station. Kara was charged with resisting arrest along with obstructing official business and disorderly conduct. Safe to say that this Karen won't be interrupting the police's work anytime soon. If you think the previous Karen was a menace, you'll be shocked to see how entitled the next one is.
Do you understand? The CDC just released.
Turn around.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Play this game.
Oh my gosh.
This is Kara Bell, avid anti-masker and a proud woman of God from Texas, who on the 7th of April 2021 had a small fight with employees of the Nordstrom rack after they refused her entry into the store without a mask. Bell had pushed one of the employees before the police was called.
Did say I had to have an ID to be here.
No, we need that. You need to give
Didn't
us
you say?
identification.
Okay. This
Was the call taker able to get
We
a
both
last
know.
name? She's refusing to identify herself.
It's my God-given right to be here on this planet, and you cannot tell me otherwise. Correct? You just lied to me.
I lied to you about what?
You said I had to have an ID to be here.
No, you got
That's
to
not what I
identify
said.
yourself.
When you're legally detained, you can play back on your video. When you're legally detained, you have a duty to identify yourself to a police officer.
Okay, so they're saying when I'm legally detained, which I was not, that I have the.
Can you try to run her without a date of birth? White female, approximately 40, 45 years of age.
How am I legally detained? Can you?
We were called here to investigate
after I was
because. Okay, so they're saying
And I called
that.
you too.
Okay, so let
I
me.
called the police too.
Are
but
you
they're
going to let
only
me talk, or are you going to be the
employee
only one
of Nordstrom
talking?
Rack.
Because right now, as a call taker, I know you want to have them on there for your safety purposes.
Yes.
But right now, you and I need to be talking, not them.
Says who?
You need to continue having a conversation with me. So
Okay.
you said that she shoved you.
She
you want to
did.
file assault charges. She's saying you shoved her, and she has witnesses. You have witnesses to say that she shoved you.
There were several witnesses in the store who saw Kara Bell pushing the employee, but while being interrogated by the cops, Bell completely changes the story, saying that she was the one who got shoved. But the cops are seeing right through her blatant lies.
She has the manager?
No.
No. Okay.
There are other employees that were in the fitting
I
room.
would hope. Okay, other employees. Well, there's also another woman without a mask. Isn't that interesting how she only
Okay.
picked me?
Well, I have nothing to
She
do
only
with that at
picked
all.
me, the white person, not the black person wearing a mask. Do you think it's a racist thing? I don't know.
We're not here to talk about race.
Well, you know what?
At
It
all.
kind of seems like it's a racist thing when the black woman doesn't have a mask on, but she comes after the white woman. That's the only
Okay, so
difference.
that's
We're both
something where you would
women.
file a complaint with Nordstrom Rack.
Okay, but I also want to file a complaint with you for her assaulting me.
Okay,
by
and she
shoving
also
me.
wants to file assault charges
Okay,
against you.
Okay.
So that's a valid thing. Go ahead.
They have cameras at Nordstrom to prove all this.
Do you have a middle name?
Do you have a middle name?
Yeah, my name is Gene.
Really think that's the
G?
negative.
First name?
White female,
R.
approximately
Jean Eller?
5'8"
Yeah,
to 5'10".
Why is it your business?
Because we have to identify you. If I can't identify you, I'm taking you to jail.
Okay, this is
Okay.
getting weird. Now they're saying if they can't identify me, they're taking me to jail. How do you identify the homeless?
That's the
They
negative.
tell us their names, their date of birth. They work with us.
Okay, are
You're
you able
not
to look
working
up
with us here.
anything
Working
or
with you, I
reverse
was
check
just
on the
assaulted
cell
at
phone
a
number that
store
you're
for
calling?
not
we
doing
can't
anything
get to
wrong.
that. We can't get to that point. We're not on either side. We don't know what's
You
going
are.
on
You
because
are
we can't
taking
identify
sides.
you.
You are taking sides. Robert Eugene Eller, you are taking
Not
sides.
Eugene.
Robert Gene Eller, you are taking sides.
I'm not taking
And it's
sides.
really sad.
Listen,
It's really sad.
we're trying to get information from you, but we can't
At
even get
Nordstrom
any
Rack.
information from you.
This happened at Nordstrom Rack.
Ma'am, you need to stay over
Sam, you
here.
can't leave because right now you're still detained.
No, you can't. You are being detained.
Why am I being detained?
Because we don't know who you are.
Okay, I'm being detained because they don't know who I am.
Okay?
Which
We were called
apparently
here.
is illegal.
We were called here for a situation, okay?
A situation where I was.
Which
pushed
we're
by a
We
investigating.
don't
So if
know.
you are
We're
a
investigating
victim,
it.
Okay, where's the investigator?
If you
Are you
were-
investigator?
ma'am,
We are officers. We
Kara,
have to figure out
Karabelle.
what's going on.
if you're a victim of assault, we need to know who you are.
Carabelle.
So-
How did you know my name was Carabelle?
Because I heard you say it. You said it on the phone when you called 911. That's how I
no,
know.
you just called and got it. Don't lie.
No.
You are lying to me. I just heard you call the police officer that I talked to and get my name. Now you're
There's not a
lying.
police officer on the phone.
Now
When
you're
you were
lying.
in the fitting room.
You
I
are
heard.
lying. Stop. This
Okay.
is the second time I caught you in a lie.
Okay. Replay your video. I'm not
Okay.
lying.
Okay. Okay.
Making the situation worse.
No, you are. By not following the law. First of all, I don't have to identify myself.
Yes, you do.
Actually, I don't. It's called common law. You should read up on it. I do not. Okay? So we both know that I don't. I am a woman of God. This is my right as much as it is yours. This is my land as much as it is yours. I did not sign up for this. I am a Christian woman of God, and you are not going to put your disgusting rules on me that are false and not true. I will not have it. Do you understand that? I will not have it. I'm sick of being bullied. I'm sick of being lied to, and it's not going to happen anymore. Do you understand? The CDC just released.
Turn around.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
We're not gonna
gosh.
play this game.
Oh my gosh.
As soon as Carabelle takes a step toward the officers decide they've had enough. One of the officers then detains her on the ground to put her in handcuffs while she resists and yells out to other people in the area. Belle was given an assault citation, which is a Class C misdemeanor punishable by a fine of up to $500. Interestingly, despite being approached by several news outlets for comments on her arrest, Belle has been completely silent. She indeed messed with the wrong cops who put her in her place. If you think the previous Karen was annoying, wait till you see what this next Karen is up to. You know what's interesting? Even her real name is Karen.
Legit! Oh! Illegal search!
I'm not.
Illegal!
You can't have the person. If you kick me, you're gonna go to jail.
Illegal!
I'm not
search!
search.
This is 55-year-old Karen Turner, who is another anti-masker. On January 18th, 2021, employees of Market Smiths Road called the police after Turner refused to comply with the store's mask policies and instead stood firm at her place without budging.
Okay. Store policy. They
right,
can't ask
so-
you to leave.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Is it a law? What's the federal law that prevents me from wearing a face mask? Federal law.
Not federal.
Okay,
State
so
law.
you don't know.
State
you
order.
Don't know the laws, right?
State order.
No. The law. The law, because I'm going to get your badge number and
34.
I'm going to sue you as well.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the
A
federal
business
law
can ask you to
that,
leave for any reason.
that prevents me from wearing a face mask?
They don't have to provide you service.
Do they serve the public? Do I pose any threat medically or physically?
They don't know that.
Okay, so you don't know that. So I am being
A business
escorted
can
out
refuse your
here
service
because why?
for
Because
any reason
what-
they want.
Because I pose what kind of threat?
They have a policy here. They're
Is it a
following
federal law?
They're following the
Is
state
it a
mandate.
It's not.
Miss,
Mandate
do you have an idea?
and-
Yes, it is a federal.
Mandate and law, two different things.
This
You
is
guys
private
get this?
property. It's,
No.
Yes,
Do
it is.
they serve the public?
what do you need? Her ID? Yes. Do you have your ID,
No.
please?
I'm not giving you my ID.
Okay,
Because
then you gotta come with us. Let's follow us.
Don't,
Yes?
don't,
Yes? We're going to touch you. We're going to touch you.
Don't
Miss?
touch me.
Hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Relax. Relax.
No.
You can keep recording all you want, but we're going to put it in your purse. You want to put cuffs on or not? You're gonna
Don't
need
touch
cuffs.
my phone. Don't touch. Don't
Ma'am,
touch
relax.
my phone. I'm relaxed. Come on, let's walk out. Let's walk out. Ooh.
Miss.
No.
Stop resisting.
Oh, no, there's no resistance.
You are pulling away from us.
Oh,
That is
no, I'm
resisting.
not.
You are trying to get free. That is resisting.
Oh, I can't wait to see your ass. I can't wait to see your ass.
The cops first politely tell Turner that according to a statewide order, the use of masks is mandatory. But Karen Turner refuses to listen and instead asks them for a federal law. Note that in the state of Ohio and most of the other states, citizens must follow a state order. But Karen refuses to acknowledge this simple fact. After the cops are done pursuing, they have to do what's necessary: arrest Karen Turner.
Where's my cell phone?
I have your cell phone.
I want it now in
You're not
5
getting it.
persons. Oh, absolutely.
Thank you. You know, you're the one being bad.
Look at, oh, illegal search.
I'm not.
Illegal.
You can't have the person. If you kick me, you're going to go to jail.
Illegal.
I'm not searching your purse. I want your purse.
Illegal search.
Miss.
Illegal search.
You can't have your purse on you in the back. Yeah, we told you that.
God. Where's my cell phone?
We have it.
I want it now. I want my cell phone now. I want my cell phone now.
I'm putting this in your purse.
I want my cell
Let me see
phone
something.
now.
She got this thing wrapped around her.
I want my cell phone
You're not. You can say it all the time you want.
I want my cell phone now.
I'd have to break the purse. I don't want to break the. I'm going to handcuff you. You going to fight with me?
Dude, you are
good.
so in trouble.
I'm not. Trust me. Here,
You
go
are
ahead.
so in trouble.
I'm not. You are.
Oh, no.
Following established protocol, the officers attempt to take possession of Miss Turner's handbag. However, Miss Turner resists, putting up a spirited fight to retain her belongings. Despite her best efforts, the officers manage to secure the purse.
You're so in trouble.
No, we're not.
Oh, that's not mine.
Oh,
That's
you're right.
not
That
mine.
was mine.
Oh, hell
Yours
no.
is there. See, I had mine in my pocket
What?
too.
I want to see it. I
Okay.
want to see
No
it.
problem. That's it.
You go through my cell phone, you're in.
In addition to the trespassing charges, Turner was charged with failure to disclose information and resisting arrest. In February 2021, she pleaded no contest to the first 2 charges and not guilty to the resisting arrest charge. A judge ordered her to pay $573 in fines and court costs. She has also been banned from all Mark's stores. But if you think the previous Karen went too far, you're in for a show. The entitlement of these Karens doesn't stop here.
Told me I would get an aisle.
Jacqueline.
All right, dude,
thank
give me
you.
my.
Hey, come here.
Give
Come
me
here.
my. I don't
Hey.
do.
Let's go train.
Stop!
Here, hands behind your back.
Stop!
Hands behind your back. Now.
Stop!
Behind your back.
Stop!
Hands behind your back.
Stop! I don't live in Utah.
Stop resisting. Hands behind your
I
back.
don't
Hands
live in
behind your back.
Utah.
Hands behind your back.
This is 30-year-old Jacqueline Fury, who on the 31st of December 2021 created such a fuss on her flight that the plane crew had to deplane all passengers just to remove Fleury from the aircraft. The police were then called to deal with her. Officers responded to Gate A14 of Salt Lake City International Airport, where they found Jacqueline Fleury yelling and arguing with an airline employee.
They did not take me off the plane,
Over here.
and I have a reason to go to Alaska. You guys messed up my flight ticket.
What's going on?
They messed up my flight ticket. I asked for an aisle. They gave me a middle seat. How is that my problem?
Okay. So, this is all about the seat thing, okay? So did they ask you, talk to you about anything about changing seats?
I told them. Then the girls let me sit where I wanted to sit.
you're right.
And then they took me off the plane.
Okay.
But I walked off allowing. They did not arrest me. They did not handcuff me. They did not touch me to get off the
What's
plane.
going on? So nobody had
They need to let me, either they need to buy me a hotel ticket and get me back to New York, or they need to let me aboard the plane.
And you
Because I already boarded the plane.
Okay. So we'll figure out from them what's going on.
Okay, well,
But
figure out because you
right
don't
now,
understand English
hey,
too well.
we're here for like your behavior, okay?
My behavior?
Yeah.
Okay,
There's-
I got a plane for the aisle C. They gave me an E, which is a middle C.
All right.
That is not what I
You have your
paid
ID?
for.
You have your ID?
What does that have to do with anything?
Right now the police are here. We're going to find out the who, the why, the what. So I just need to know
Okay,
who
well,
you are.
better.
Yeah. Okay.
The cops ask Jacqueline what caused all of these problems, and she tells the officers that the airline messed up her flight ticket, giving her a middle seat instead of an aisle one.
No, I'm trying to listen to you.
You don't need to right now.
I need to. It's my privilege.
Good, it's your privilege.
Okay, thank you. So don't tell me what I cannot and cannot do.
Sit down. Okay. Sit
No,
down.
I would like to hear what people are saying.
Just have a seat.
I am allowed to hear what they are
Stand right
saying.
there, because I'm going to catch up with you.
Okay.
How is that thin ice? What have I done?
Well, they're trying
Seriously,
to work.
what have I done?
Now go with me.
You have no idea.
Go for me like you see on.
They have tried to work with me by taking me off the plane.
Conference. Just can you say, do you have a decision now?
Ask them. Ask them.
That's why Officer Cross, listen to me. He's going to go.
What have I done on the plane?
Well,
I would like to ask you what I have done on the plane.
I listened to your side, and I listened to the.
I'm not asking you about my side. I'm asking you what I have done on the plane. Did I touch someone? Did I touch someone?
What was your name,
Please
Jacqueline?
explain it. Have I spoken to did I touch someone? Please tell me if I've spoken to someone and I've touched someone.
Okay, so.
Listen to him. Ask him that question.
All right, Jacqueline, we're going to leave.
Ask him.
Jacqueline, you need to leave now.
No.
You've been denied.
Ask him. Ask him. Ask him.
Did you
if
want to
I've
hear my
touched
answer?
someone.
Jacqueline.
You better ask him if I've
We're
touched
going to go
someone.
now, okay? Listen. You're going to be escorted
I don't
out.
live
Delta's
here.
not flying.
I live in New York.
Well,
Good.
okay.
Delta
Dude,
has,
who's paying for my ticket?
you're going to have to, you got refunded.
I got refunded
Let's go.
to live in Utah?
Yeah, Jacqueline, okay? We're going to walk out because
I
are
don't
not a
live
Delta
here.
passenger.
I don't know anyone here. If
not a
anything,
Delta
I need to get a
passenger.
ride back to New York.
Once Jacqueline was off-boarded, the airline refunded her ticket. When the officers tell her that she's no longer a ticketed passenger and needs to leave the airport, she starts yelling and refuses to comply.
No, that's so up.
Jacqueline?
You cannot do that.
Jacqueline?
You know how they are leaving me homeless.
Okay, speak
They're
for body
leaving me
count.
homeless.
Jacqueline, focus. Okay, we're going to walk you out. Right
Walk
now.
me out to
focus.
where?
To where you can
To the lobby in Utah.
At this point,
I don't live in Utah.
Jacqueline, at this point, we're helping you to go get rebooked. You keep doing this yelling, we're going to look at criminal charges, okay? Disorderly conduct.
Dude, this is on you, though.
This is not on me, okay?
Yeah, this is on
You caused a disturbance. They have deplaned.
No, I did not cause a disturbance.
Jacqueline?
They told me I would get an aisle.
Jacqueline?
All right, dude,
okay,
give me my...
come here.
Give
come
me
here.
my... I don't
Hey.
do...
Let's go stand up.
Stop!
Here, hands behind your back.
Stop!
Hands behind your back. Now.
Stop!
Behind your back.
Stop!
Hands behind your back.
Stop! I don't live in Utah.
Stop resisting. Hands behind your
I
back.
don't
Hands
live
behind
in
your back.
Utah.
Hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Hands behind your back.
Ow, I live in
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Hands behind your back.
I don't
Got
live
your.
in
Stop
Utah.
resisting.
I don't live in Utah.
Stop
I don't
resisting.
live in
Jacqueline.
Utah. Stop.
Stop resisting.
Stop. Stop.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Jacqueline.
Stop.
Stop behind your back. Put this hand. Put this hand behind your back. Hand behind your back.
Let me just go home.
Yeah.
Let me just go home.
Put this
Let
hand
me
behind your
just
back.
go home. No.
Jack.
You guys are so
This hand behind your back. Put this hand behind your back. Put this hand behind your back.
Stop.
Stop it. Jacqueline. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting. Where's your car, Sarge? Get up. Right there. We'll go down there.
Jacqueline was arrested and escorted out of the airport. Her flight was eventually able to take off without flurry on board. Another angle of the body cam footage shows her being escorted out. Fleury was booked and released on charges of disorderly conduct, assault on a police officer, and interfering with an arresting officer. It is safe to say that she won't be messing around with airport security anytime soon.
You're hurting me! You're hurting me! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Okay, go ahead.
This is Beth Maggioroni, a speaker at the Chatham County Board of Elections meeting, and she's about to be arrested by cops for refusing to leave the conference. Despite the chairman repeatedly asking her to leave the podium, Maggioroni didn't budge. It was then that cops were called to escort her out of the premises. As officers were attempting to lead her away from the podium, Maggioroni continued to refuse to follow commands and sat on the floor.
They're not allowed. It's against my rights. It's against my rights for you to ask me to leave.
Please step outside.
Does everybody have this on film? Because
I do too. Come on. Come on.
Leave me alone. Hey.
Stand up.
No, I'm not standing up.
Grab her.
I just want to help. Like, I don't want to.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Okay, go ahead. Hey, once you leave, man.
I need my stuff.
All right, wait right here. I'll get
Grab
it.
your cell phone for you.
The police department decided not to either arrest or press charges against Maggioroni, but later in a conference said that both options were possible given the circumstances.